Nintendo Store app. So Nintendo Store free app for browsing Nintendo system accessories, games, and merchandise. You can use this app to access all the features below. You can shop on My Nintendo Store. You can use this app to browse Nintendo Switch 2 and accessories, physical, digital games, and other Nintendo products, merchandise, and then jump directly to My Nintendo Store to make purchases. Get the latest info on games, receive notifications about sales, review your play activity, check in at events, and that's basically what you're having in here. It's a new app, was just released. You can just browse around it. You can see, yeah, how it looks like. There are a lot of deals in here. You can just browse some news as well. There's your Nintendo account. I don't know whether they have some promo codes or deals in here, but that's the app.